Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your clipboard keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus Ultra. To do this, you will need to go to any app that allows your keyboard to pop up. For example, here I will use Google Chrome. And here you will need to press the clipboard icon, which is located right here. And from here you'll be able to paste any clipboard notes you actually copied. Like for example, here I will add a word called elephant onto our clipboard. And to do this, I wrote a word. Now I'm gonna hold my finger on that word, make sure it's all selected, press copy, and now go back to your clipboard like this, and you will see and be able to paste any word or sentence that you've added this way. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.